Hello, are you ready to learn the secret of stock market and take control of your money? Are you just starting or want to excel in your trading skills? Our advanced stock market trading course is perfect for you. In just 1 month, you will learn the smart strategies and gain knowledge you need to trade with confidence. Our course includes 12 comprehensive modules that covers technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, intraday delivery trading, future and options, financial planning, trading psychology, current affairs, event, and data analysis. Choose your path. Join our online or offline batches with flexible learning schedules. What makes our course unique? We offer live trading session. You will see exactly how trades are executed under real market conditions, giving you hands-on experience. From start to finish, we guide you step by step, making sure you understand everything along the way. Got questions? No worries. Our doubt clearing sessions are there to help you and get an expert advice. To help you stay on a track, we give you weekly assignments and quizzes. We provide a powerful presentation and trading toolkit in Excel sheets to help you analyze stocks and make smart decisions. Even after the course, we are here to help you. Our team will continue to offer guidance to enhance your trading skills. By the end of this 1 month course, you will receive an official certificate to enhance your career. Join our Wealthnote Share Market Academy and transform your financial future like thousands of successful traders. Take a control of your financial future, enroll today, and start your journey towards becoming a stock market master with Wealthnote Share Market Academy.